Like, comment, and subscribe!
Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Luxury Car, your go-to channel for the latest in premium automotive design, performance, and innovation. Today, we're diving deep into the brand new 2026 Chevrolet Corvette C8, a car that pushes the envelope even further on what it means to be an American supercar. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the 2026 Corvette C8 demands attention. It retains its iconic mid-engine layout introduced with the C8 generation, but Chevrolet has fine-tuned the aerodynamics and refreshed the body lines for a more aggressive, yet sculpted look. It's lower, sharper, and arguably more exotic than ever before. Think European flair with American muscle, it's a stunning blend. Under the hood, or rather, behind the seats, you'll find an evolved version of the 6.2-liter LT2 V8 engine. While official figures haven't been released just yet, industry whispers suggest a power bump to around 515 horsepower, with refined tuning for quicker throttle response and a louder, angrier exhaust note. Paired with an updated dual-clutch transmission, gear shifts are even faster, delivering 0 to 60 times rumored to dip just under 2.9 seconds. Inside, the cabin has seen a tech refresh with a new infotainment system that's faster and more intuitive. The driver-focused cockpit wraps around you with premium materials, think microsuede, carbon fiber, and optional leather packages that rival much more expensive European competitors. What makes this Corvette so special is that it still manages to offer world-class performance for a fraction of the price of its rivals. The 2026 model builds on that tradition with refinement, power, and sophistication. If you're a performance enthusiast who refuses to compromise, this car deserves your attention. That's it for today on Auto Luxury Car. Make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if the 2026 Corvette C8 just made your dream garage list. See you in the next one.
Smash the like button.